Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to the Depreciation Lab. The Depreciation Lab is a fixed asset depreciation lab, the precision calculation engine for finance teams. It handles straight line method, MACRS, WDV methods, and other methods with audit-grade security in seconds. This is the landing page of the app. As you can see, it supports 7 depreciation methods. It can handle 36 currencies. It has a support of importing 1000 assets in bulk and do the calculation in less than 1 second, that is 800 milliseconds. And it has SOC to align security. As I said before, it supports 7 depreciation methods under one platform, from basic accounting to complex tax regulation, pre-configured logic for global standards. Let's go through these 7 methods. So it supports MACRS US tax, full IRS compliant publication 946 with half-year mid-quarter convention, bonus depreciation, and auto switching. So all these things are handled in this app very easily. Then it supports the classic depreciation method, which is straight line method, the global standard, prorated partial years, and mid-month convention. So it takes care of all edge cases for any scenario for straight line method for asset purchase dates, whichever day in the month it can handle it. Then it supports diminishing balance method, which is a kind of a unique and method which is applicable in India. Indian Companies Act allows this depreciation method. So basically it takes a fixed percentage, or it derives a fixed percentage with a geometric formula, and it applies that formula or that rate which is coming from that formula to WDV each year or each month. The app takes care of this complex logic flawlessly and gives you accurate answers in compliance with the Indian Companies Act. Then it also supports another classical method of double declining. So as you know, if you're an accountant, you must be knowing it is an accelerated depreciation method using twice the straight line rate for a faster write-offs. So this kind of method, or this particular method, is useful when you want to write off your asset, which is technology sensitive. So you know that the asset you have bought has a shorter lifespan. So you can write off these assets very fast in earlier years of its use. Then it supports another unique method called component depreciation method, which is in compliance with IFRS and Indian accounting standard. So it's a very complex method, but this app handles it very smoothly. And Depreciation Lab also supports WDV India Tax method, which is a block of asset method system with 180-day rule, additional depreciation, and STCG calculation, that is short-term capital gain calculation. Plus, the apps also generates ready to submit from 3CD data. So you can just export it and you do your filing for tax calculation for the fixed asset. It also supports units of production method, which is a unit-based depreciation method for manufacturing and mining assets. The Depreciation Lab has a feature of importing 1000 assets at a time. So the lab has a feature where you can download a fixed template in Excel and update your data for fixed asset, and then import it to the lab, import it to this app, and you can calculate the depreciation for thousands of assets within less than a second. It also generates audit-ready schedules, so no more black box numbers. Every calculation comes with a monthly drill down, transparent formula explanation, and reconcilable export formats. It has an institutional grade infrastructure. It is hosted on Firebase, which is a Google product. It has a 60-feet board floating point precision, row level security for each users. So none of the users' data ever gets mixed up. So if you're in a company where you have a number of employees in the finance team, or anywhere you want to use this particular app, everybody will have their own access and number of assets they store and data they store. It is SOC to align encryption security AES 256. So your data is well protected. It is engineered for clarity. So now we'll go inside the app. So we're going to log into the app. So before that, I'm going to show you how you sign up. So you go to this particular pricing, or you can go to open the app. You'll end up in this page. So this is the pricing page. We'll talk about it later. But here you can sign up for a free account, which will give you these benefits: up to 10 assets, standard method access, SLDB, DDB, manual entry only, up to 10 assets you can enter, a CSV export, and you can browse your storage as well. So we go to the app. Now I'm currently logged in to my business tier account, as you can see here. And this is the business tier account. And here you can see your dashboard. So if you have a fully loaded asset, that is 4,000 assets plus 150 assets manual, it will take few seconds for it to load. So currently everything is configured. So this is the dashboard. This is the asset register, which will populate your assets for a manually entered section. So you have 150 assets maximum you can enter through manual methods. So here is the standard method. So this is the input area where currently assets are loaded. Up to 50 assets you can load here. And then we have activity based, which is units of production. That is the activity-based method in this app. The activity-based method is equal to units of production. Then we have component method section where you can enter up to 50 assets, as you can see here. So for the bulk upload section, you will need a business tier account. So there we have standard methods. So here the assets are loaded, and this is the dashboard for the bulk method standard methods, which are SLN method, straight line method, DB method, and DDB method. DB method here would mean geometric formula method, which is the diminishing value method for the Indian Companies Act. Then we have a MACRS US tax method. This is the section. WDV India Tax method, as you can see here. And we also have a bulk upload for units of production method, where you can upload up to 1,000 assets. Here you can see your user details, so your account and the plan you're having. So business plan has 150 assets, which is manual entry for these three sections, standard methods. So 3 methods here: activity based, which is units of production, and specialized, which is component method. Here you can sign out. Here you can see help and support, and you can see account setting here. So this is the overview of the fixed asset depreciation lab. Now we also have a demo. If you want to use this particular tool without logging in or sign up, you can also use it as a demo. So you can go to home page and click on the demo. As you can see, this is the demo section where you can test the sample data. Either you can enter it yourself, or you can just try the sample data like this. So here you can see, and you can choose the 3 methods you want to do sampling for. So this is for standard, this is for UOP, this is for component, this is MACRS, and this is WDV. So all the samples you can try, either you can try the sample or you can enter your own assets, but it will be only one asset at a time. So let's go back to standard method. And here we'll try the sample data. As you can see, the sample data is uploaded. And here you can enter the events, if the asset has improvements, if the asset has impairment, and if it is disposed. So currently we're not going to select those, and we're going to calculate the depreciation. So here you can see, this is the small dashboard. This is the yearly output of the asset, as you can see. And here you can see monthly schedule. And you can also export your files. So CSV. And also you can export annual. So accordingly, you can use the app in a demo format, and without even sign up, you can test the app, the accuracy of the calculation, then make your decision. So this was the overview of the Depreciation Lab. In the future videos, I'll be going deep inside Depreciation Lab and show you all nitty-gritty and all methods and calculation of the Depreciation Lab. Now there is a promo going on where you can sign up for the business account for 14 days. You need to fill up this form. The link for the same is in the description. So you can fill this form, and I will grant you access with your email ID. So the form will require an email ID and other details. Once you enter that, I will activate your 14 days trial in the Depreciation Lab for the business tier account, which is costing around $44 if you pay annual and $180 if you pay monthly. So this complete 14 days access will be available to you. If you go to this form and submit your detail, and you'll get a 14 days free trial. So try it out and give me your feedback. I would love to hear your feedback, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.